Good day, sir. I am Jan Hari Madrona, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, BSIT student of CLSU 3-3. So una, ito po yung campus layout ko. Campus router, meron po tayong campus router na merong cloud network. We have cloud router, cloud switch, and server, cloud web server. And then meron tayong multi-layer switch which have switch for academics, switch for research, switch for administration, switch for servers, switch for public, switch for access point, or access point, not switch, and then access point connect wireless connected. Yung two laptop is wireless connected sa access point, and this subnet has a DHCP server to para makuha yung mga IP addresses each, and then servers meron tayong web server, and then may PC, and then administration we have PCs, research academics also have PCs, and then these are all VLANs. We have VLAN for academic, VLAN for research, VLAN for administration. Sorry for inconvenience. Administration, VLANs for servers, and VLANs for public. Then this is the VLAN gateways. Itong VLAN gateways na ito, makikita ilan nakalagay yan dito sa each switch nito para maka-access lahat ng end users or mga PCs, mga physical sa mga routers, sa campus router at sa cloud web servers, cloud router. And then this is all their IP address, and this academics has a subnet of and IP addresses of the PCs of IP addresses of 10.218.0.21, and then 32 and 64, 96 and 128/19 all. And then cloud web servers has the IP address of 220.218.1.2/4, and ayun sa cloud network 22.218.1.0 starting end, and then IP address of campus router 220.218.2.1, and then so on and so forth 2.0/30 atin na for cloud router. Now, ipipin ko yung VLAN gateway sa research. So, PC2, 10.1.8.0, and 32, 64, 96, 20, 96, and 128. So ngayon, ipipin ko yung web server sa servers VLAN, and papakita natin sa desktop ng PC dito kung ma-access niya ba yung web server sa servers. Tingnan natin kung 10.218.96.254. Ayan, makikita nyo 10.218.96.254. Dito tayo sa web server 10.218.96.254. Ayan. So ngayon, sa laptop, ipipin ko lahat ng VLAN gateways. yung 10.18.0.1. Research naman. Then, next is administration. Business administration. And then, sa servers. And then, sa public. Yan. Okay. So, ngayon, ilalagay natin yung i-ano nating IP address ng cloud server sa PC. I-show ko yung IP address sys-hop by the command dun sa mga PC, and then i-open natin web page ng cloud web server. Ito na lang. Tracer 202.1.254. Ayan, trace complete 18. And then show natin, papakita natin 0254. So kasi ito po yung address ko ng cloud web server, yan 220.218.1.254.